Make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification to get notified every time we make a video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to shift for beginners. I know it's difficult to shift for beginners, but if you watch this video, I'll show you some tips, and if you just follow what I do, it would be easy peasy. The first thing you need to do is pull on the clutch, and then once you shift up, once you get in the first gear, you let out slowly, but then you have to figure out when it catches it, and then once you do that, you let off the gas. And the second thing you need to do is, with this clutch paddle, it's 1 down, 3 up, and then once you shift, once you pull in the clutch, you got to shift up if you want to go up. If you want to go down, you shift down. And then if you want to get out of first gear, once you shift up and go in the second gear, this time you don't have to let out slowly, you just let it out. And that's all you need to do. Right now he would be shifting into first gear, and he's going to be going and demonstrating on how to shift gears. And right now he's shifting into second gear, and he's shifting into third. And he's slowing down. And he shifted up to second. He was in first. And now he's in third gear. And he's shifting all the way down to first gear, to neutral. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can get notified if we post another video. Have a good day.